I'm kind of famous, huh? Not really.
Remember you gave us those stickers?
Yeah, got to make sure that everybody has stickers.
I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something.
So this is aftermath of the heavy hail that we had in that thunderstorm that rolled through, and this is a Salem that's in TTO, and it looks like it's been through a shooting gallery. That's just crazy. So one of the reasons we're big fans of our Alliance products with the Asdel inside and outside with our fiberglass is it's a little more weatherproof than the trailers with the aluminum siding. Somebody's got a big piece of gray foam there, right there back in the back. This is all the stuff that washed down the drain during the storm, and we'll show you the video. And this guy's the same way. Yeah, the other one was bad.
Like turn, so maybe it didn't get over that.
That's why you have the money to replace it.
Hey, is that a custom shade structure?
Yes, it is.
With all the new,
Vents.
all those new vents?
Yes, new vents in my screen room. It gets stuffy in there in the summer.
Oh, that's why you did it.
That's why we put the holes in, yeah.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
Had nothing to do with Mother Nature.
No. Pay no attention to the ice on the ground.
Did you look at the side of the aluminum trailers?
They got it?
They look like they've been through a shooting gallery.
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Look at his covers.
Yeah, that one there.
There's still a lot of people at work that are coming in and finding their trailers after the storm and everything else. Eric and I have looked through ours and we're okay. Eric got a little water that dripped through, but other than that, he's okay. So all I can tell you is a good thing you happen to have that Asdel outside wall on your Valor, huh?
Right? Yeah, some of the damage we've seen, we got very lucky.
There's a couple of those aluminum sided trailers. They look like they were in a shooting gallery.
The guy behind us here ripped his awning off. He had like a tent that connected to his awning and he couldn't get it off fast enough, and it just ripped the whole metal like system.
That was crazy.
And then up there, look at the fence, those are all holes.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Jeez.
Look at this hail. We got one that was like big as a golf ball. Let's see. That was one of the smaller big ones that we found.
Yeah, I got one that's actually 3 of them that were locked together. That's the size of my hand.
So we left, we saw it coming in and we were like, do you want to go over to the clubhouse to be safe? And so we started driving and we got stuck in the parking lot.
Oh wow.
Who are you, miss?
I seen you.
Yeah, I'm kind of famous, huh? Not really, but
Remember you gave us those stickers?
yeah, got to make sure that everybody has stickers.
She's got it on her tablet now.
Nice.
F's. I took the other stickers off my tablet so I can put that sticker on.
Wow, I feel privileged. Kaitlyn, did you hear that?
Yeah.
She took a bunch of stickers off so she could have one of our stickers on there. That's my daughter in the back. That's Kaitlyn back there. If you want to go introduce yourself. So those are holes in that plastic fence?
Yeah,
Oh,
just
hey,
holes
Dad.
going all the way down through
Just
there.
some dents in the car.
Dad.
Yeah, I was
What's
looking
going on
like
with
it's
the
not crazy, but
Yeah.
you can see all the
Yeah,
little.
and I got some on the roof.
Well, the best part about that is it's not very deep.
Yeah.
So once it heats up and it goes through a
It'll
couple of
pop it
heat
back
contraction,
out.
it'll do its thing. But
Yeah, I
that's just
mean,
crazy.
With as hard as the wind was going and how big that hail was, like I consider that's, I mean.
Yeah, nothing broken on the truck, nothing broken. The guy,
No,
the guy right next to Eric,
Yeah.
the mirror that was on the offside of the storm was broken. So just this 1 in a million chance kind of ice
We went
knocked the mirror down, and you know those mirrors are not cheap. So
No, I walked our whole roof. I didn't see any punctures, but this guy had a couple punctures in his roof, and then all the tents. I saw a tent down there where,
PVC, baby.
yeah, for real.
Puncher
Yeah.
in his roof?
Yeah, the rubber TTO doesn't do well.
No, so he said like 5/8 inch holes, like 2 or 3 of them.
Wow.
And then there was a tent over there where it looked like little meteors had gone.
Yeah, that was the
Oh,
guy
yeah.
that's right behind him.
Yeah.
His outdoor screen room. I got him on
He's out
video
there cooking.
in the middle of it, and then he ran in the house and he left everything sitting in there, and it rinsed all the seasoning off of his meat. Like, oh my god! You know you're having a bad day when, right?
God, yeah. Well, we looked at the radar and it looked like it was just gonna go around us. And
Well, yeah,
then-
it went right. It looked like it went right down 27.
Like right, yeah. I mean, it did not look like it was gonna hit us, and then I saw that little tail end coming. I was like, Allie, I was like, if we're gonna go to the clubhouse, we need to do it now. And so she checked the radar again when we were over there, and it was right in the middle of it. And she's like, what do we do? I'm like, yeah, we sit here and wait it out. Like, I was looking around.
Well,
I didn't
Eric
know.
came over to see what I was doing because we was filming the rain going down the road, and then it hit, boom, and we're standing on the other side.
Yeah.
And the ice is hitting the ground and bouncing up and hitting me in the back legs, and we're both freezing to death because it's, you know, the temperature dropped like 70 degrees.
Oh yeah.
And we're getting beat with ice. And Kaitlyn jumped in the chair and pulled another chair up on her to protect her, and she got hit in the face. So
I've never seen hail like that. We were talking about it. We left Middle Tennessee because the storms were so bad. We were like, let's go down to Florida and ride out the
let's go to Florida where it's nice and warm and there's no storms.
Wait. You know, we're like the lightning capital of the world.
Oh yeah.
Well, lightning's
tornadoes.
different than
So-
hail.
But the lightning comes from the very nasty storms.
Well, Middle Tennessee, where we're from, is they have the most nocturnal tornadoes.
Oh.
And especially this year, all of our tornadoes, it's always like between like midnight and 3 a.m. So it's just we wanted to get away from that and come down here. We were fine with thunderstorms, but yeah, but that's
like
all.
Oklahoma.
We're gonna go check that out because I gotta put that on video.
Dad, you have a little one in the back. Hold on.
We're good.
Yeah, go check that out because I thought that was debris up there. I thought it was like leaves or something, but no, those are holes.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
crazy.
She's trying to stay warm.
Yeah, you too.
All right, you guys.
See you guys.
What happened to the, where's that one guy's arm?
I think
Wow, look at that.
That's a hole.
Kaitlyn, look at the size of that hole.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
That's heavy PVC fencing.
Yeah.
That stuff is millimeters thick.
Maybe it needs to be just slightly thicker.
And
Look at that. It's just shattered in places.
a little on the brittle side.
Yeah.
That's
It sits out here in the sun and bakes and the UV just kills it.
Oh my god, they just keep getting bigger the more further we go.
Yeah, the further away from the RVs you get.
wonder if we find something in the storage yard. Like, That's the fog that leads to the zombie apocalypse.
I can't see anything.
Turn around and look, right here.
More like grass.
Look, and there's a keep your daydream people walking towards the zombie apocalypse. Don't walk into the fog.
We're walking over there for that reason.
That's where the zombie apocalypse is. Did you guys find the golfer that didn't yell four?
Right?
Look at the aluminum siding. Look at all those dings. Flatten that on him. Or outdoor room. Which way to go? When you get done there, mine's ready to be washed out. You know, because you are family, we have to know that.
I am family.
We are family. We are too.
You have Valor?
Let me help you out. I know that your trailer is a 4013. His is a 4213, and mine's a 4313. So yes, we are family.
Ellie, that's correct.
Hopefully the bike wasn't outside, was it?
It was, and the cover blew off, so she's a little dented on the insert there.
That sucks.
Only a week old.
Only a week old?
Camp is only 2 weeks old.
The campers, yeah, we just, no wait, she's a month today. She's 4 weeks today.
Well, there's a reason that you're going to be really glad that you bought a Valor, because of the PVC roof that's lifetime warranted, and the Asdale walls. There are some trailers, there's a guy back over on the other side that he's got the rubber TPO roof. He's got 5/8" holes all through his roof.
Shredded it.
So, thank you, Alliance.
There's a couple awnings that are just trying to like back there.
And Kaitlyn, how do we know that they have a brand new trailer? How do we know they got a 2023?
Because the Valor sticker on the bottom.
Valor sticker at the bottom of the cap.
Oh,
that,
that
you know?
for 23?
Yeah, because ours was in the shop in Indiana, and they had to replace our cap, and I'm like, I want the new cap. I don't want the old cap. So we have a 2022-23.
Nice. Wow.
I'm Kevin. This is Eric. This is Kaitlyn in the back.
Phil, nice to meet you
This is all
guys.
because my daughter came down to visit us. She was here for 4 hours in the apocalypse house.
I just got
So
here
we
from
blame her.
Tennessee. I drove down with her.
So she's the one that brought the weather. I don't know, Savannah. I'm kind of worried about you, girl. So I'm going to put this together to be on our YouTube channel probably in a couple hours, because I've got video of it all coming down as it took place. So
I have video. It was unreal.
crazy stuff. Well, welcome to the family.
Thanks, guys.
That's how we're going to check on. There's a couple more over here. So, oh yeah, oh, look at that.
Did you get a dent?
Dents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, we got to take it in. Bomb well.
That kind of suffered.
Ice.
depends on who's doing the power repair. So I can imagine that power's out all over the area right now. Look at it, not gigantic branches off of the trees. I guess he didn't get enough water on his trailer because he's up there washing the roof off.
Yeah.
You can hardly see where the road is.
I was just noticing that. Well, there's the road sign, so I guess we can come here.
Is that coming from that one right there? The shade light?
So it sounds like,
Or is it the signature?
that must make a lot of
Right
noise.
there. Seven. Right there. See it?
It's right there. See the power box?
Yeah, the number 7 one.
No, that's one way to put the Starlink up. Just
Run it out there and put a hole or port on it.
I think I put the pole. I mean, the wire.
Can't get over the fog.
The fog is freaky.
It's theory.
So I wonder if those have to be reset. Because they're all locked.
Yeah. Oh, that's a lift station.
Oh yeah, because they don't have any power? That makes sense.
Yeah.
Don't flush your toilets! Well, I don't think Stormy's going to come out for months, so.
Kids are fucking the gut.
According to Mom, she was doing.
Here's another.
Do you want to build a snowman? Oh wait.
It's a lift station
At
there.
least you're going fun. Mom, look at that tree.
Hey, give me the block.
That tree took up meeting.
Give me the block.
I'm so glad we didn't park anywhere near trees.
I guess he didn't get enough rain. Trailer's got leaves all over it. Like it took a leaf bath.
Okay, that's different. When we saw the other one, we were up towards the pool, but against the tree line with that. Oh wow.
Oh my gosh.
Kaitlyn,
Yeah.
look at this one.
Oh dear. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah, it does.
So this is a road, but after the hailstorm, it knocked so many leaves and stuff off the trees that you can't even see where the road is. And you can tell by the eerie fog that we're moving into the zombie apocalypse. So that was what was in those vaccines.